write SQL command and how to access elements from the database. That we already discussed in previous videos. So let's move to our today topic, in which our objective concern is numeric functions. In numeric function, we will understand how to implement round functions, truncate and mod. So first of all, we understand round functions. This command or function is used to round the decimal value. If the decimal value is greater than or equal to 0.5, then it is rounded to next value, else rounded to the current value. Fine. So mainly round functions returns a number rounded to the nearest integers. So here in this sections, how we will implement in this oracles, we write the command select round functions, calling the round functions from dual table. So select round 123.345, 0 from dual. What will be the output? As per the definitions, our output will be 123. As we know, this function is used to round a number to next value which is greater than 0.5, then this is the record. So here we will see that it is 123.345. So the nearest value is 123. Let's I'm asking one this rounding function is also, if I want to round the number 157.7, then what will be the output? The output will be 158, because the nearest the next value nearer is 158, as we are aware that it is greater than or equal to 0.5. These are the syntax of round functions. Round number up to what decimals you are needed. So here is the second parameter. Decimal place is an optional parameter, where the number is the number we want to round, and decimal place the number of places to which we want to round the number argument. For example, if decimal places is greater than 0, then the number is rounded to the specified number of decimal places. If decimal places is 0, the number is rounded to the nearest integers. In the same way, if the decimal place is less than 0, the number is rounded to the left of the decimal points. So these are the results that we will find by taking many examples of considering all the parameters of round functions. For example, let's one by one we will discuss it, and we will see the output like that. So first of all, we select round 123.345 from dual. Then the output is 123. All of you are aware this. But if we rounding this, select round 123.6454 from dual, as per the definitions, the output will be 124. See here. In the same way, if I round the value 123.7, then the output will be again 124. Fine. Now I am able to see. Here that if I use the round function as select round 123.654, 0 from dual. So what will be output? The output, nearest output will be 123.7, because this number is I have written here. Again, you see here, if I use the same they select round 123.654 from dual, then the output will be 124. But if I use like the select round 123.654 comma 0 from dual and select round 123.654 comma 1 from dual, then we will get the value like this, 123.6 only. But when we round these functions from select round 123.654 comma 2, then we will use this 2 digit here, that is output will be 123.65. In the same way, you can see the example that I have shown here in the slides. So you can kindly implement on your SQL plus and see and enjoy the results. Now I am moving to the next functions. This is called truncate. Fine. So what is the use of this truncate? The truncate shortens the numeric functions to a specified number of numeric value. What it means? It is used to round the decimal point to the current value. As we considered a simple example, if I want to truncate the value 157.7, then what will be the output after truncating? It is 157. In the same way, if I want to truncate 157.5, what is the value? Again, it is 157 and truncating one value 157.4, then 57. As the definition say that it is used to round the decimal point to the current value. Means ignoring all these things. So when we truncate a number, we miss off digit past a certain point in the number and filling in zeros if necessary to make the truncated number approximately the same size as the original number, or miss off all the digit after the first decimal place to truncate a number to a one decimal place. Now let's implement these things. For implementing, we must aware how and what are the syntaxes. Considering this, the truncate number is one of the parameter comma decimal places. So here the second parameter decimal places is an optional parameter. So the number that we want to truncate and decimal underscore places is the number of decimal digit for truncations. The value decimal underscore places must be an integer number. This is one of the condition, and if this parameter is not specified, the truncate function will return an integer value or number. If the parameter is negative, the number to the left of the decimal point will be truncated. The truncate functions for number returns always a numerical value. So this is the syntax. Now let's move for the practical implementations. So here, what we will see this, if I want to truncate the value 435.1234. So what is the command for writing this? We use the logical table dual, which is already available in the Oracle itself. So select trunc 435.1234, then our output will be 435, neglecting the decimal points to the current values. Now see the second example. If I want to truncate 109.7722. Fine. So how we will use this? Select truncate 109.7722 772, 2 from dual. Now what will be output? We will consider the 2 decimal points. The 109.77 is the output. Clear? So up to what decimal point you are needed? This is the decimal places that the value that you entered it. So you will see these are the different types of results that you can run it and see and enjoy it. Fine. Now the third functions, numeric function we are using here is mod function. So what is the use of mod? It is used to show the remainder. For example, if I want to find the remainder by dividing a number 5 by 2, what is the remainder? 1. But if I divide 2 by 2, the remainder is 0. So to get the remainder of the dividend divided by a divisor, mod function is used, or we can simply say that to get the remainder from a division, we use the mod function. This mod functions is also works for fractional value and return the exact remainder. If the case is that when the value of divisor is 0, the function returns the dividend itself. This function takes any numeric or non-numeric data type, can be completely or easily converted to a numeric data as an argument. So let's see this example and the syntax of mod. The mod x comma y, where x is dividend, that is number to be divided, and y is called divisor, that is a number to divide another integer. So here I have taken an example. I want mod 20, 3. So what is the output? In this cases, I write in SQL query editor, select mod 20, 3 from dual. So after running this command, I will see the output will be 2. So simply know that if I divide 20 by 3, what will be the remainder? 3 into 6, 18, and the remainder will be 2. Now it's cross verified also. These are the different types of results that you saw in the screen by considering all the decimal places. At what decimal places you are looking for this, so you have to move only the parameters, and it can also work for the float. Fine. So first of all, this screens, if you see, I am interested for finding the dual for 50. So select mod 50, 0 from dual. What will be the output? 50, because it are the same values. You are divided by nothing. But when we are taking care of this in the second screens, select mod 11.5 divided by 2, then the result will be 1.5. This is the remainder. But in the cases of this, select mod 28.5 divided by 5.0, the output will be 2. In the same cases, here you will see it, when select mod 11.5, 2.2, the result will be 0.5. And here when select mod minus 28.0 from dual, the result will be minus 28. Now it will be applicable for all real number. And here, if you are taking care of any examples of your tables that you already created, then you can round all the salaries and find the modulus of everyone, like use select star from the employee first. We will see that what the data is, and select employee salary, comma, mod employee salary, comma 3. The output will be these things. Means if 5,000 is there, what will be the remainder for this things? The summary of our today lecture is, today we understand how to manipulate number with the help of round functions, truncate functions, and mod functions. These are the references that we considered for this slides. If you want to contact me, you can contact the given email address, satyaji.srivastava@galgotiauniversity.edu.in. Thank you.